Imagine for a moment the unexplored depths of your creativity. It's a world where the impossible becomes possible, where two-dimensional ideas spring forth into three-dimensional realities. This is the magic of Stylar A.I, an extraordinary tool that empowers you to transform your creative visions into tangible masterpieces. Begin your journey by opening your web browser and navigating to Stylar A.I.'s website. Once there, you'll find a portal to a realm of boundless creativity. To fully immerse yourself in this world, switch to desktop site mode. Your adventure into the extraordinary begins with the simple act of signing up. Once you've embarked on this journey, create a new project and select the canvas ratio that best suits your upcoming masterpiece. Remember, the canvas is your world, and you are its creator. The heart of your creation lies in the image. Stylar A.I offers extensive customization options, allowing you to apply ratios or import images with the Fit to Content feature. Like a wizard with a wand, you are in control. With your image selected, it's time to explore the magic of image-to-image transformation. Try the realistic style and engage the auto prompt. Then set the structure match to 1 and hit the Stylarize button. Prepare for a small wait as your masterpiece begins to take shape. Anticipation builds as your work enters the free queue. Like a magician's trick, the final reveal is worth the wait. When the stylarizing process is complete, 4 AI-generated wonders will unveil themselves. Choose your favorite and place it on your canvas. Now comes the moment of truth. Navigate to the upper right corner, click on Export, and select JPG. Upscale your masterpiece by 2x and prepare for the grand finale. As you click Export, hold your breath. The magic is about to unfold. Your two-dimensional idea has been transformed into a three-dimensional reality, a testament to the power of your creativity. For those who desire a watermark-free experience, Stylar offers a subscription option. With 200 credit coins, you are free to explore the uncharted territories of your imagination without distraction. And so, today's creative journey concludes. But remember, this is only the beginning. With Stylar A.I, each new day brings a fresh opportunity to delve deeper into the world of AI creativity. Stay tuned for more captivating journeys into the depths of your imagination. Until then, keep exploring, keep creating, and keep believing in the magic of your ideas.